Hey collectors, here is a look at Ram Man from He-Man and the Masters of the Universe cartoon collection line, and I would like to thank Rare Fine Toys for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. At the back of the package, you can see an illustration from where the accessory of Raman comes from, the house of Shokotai, and the other characters available for this wave. Out of the clamshell, Raman comes with the mini comic book and the instruction booklet at the back, plus the mask of Shokotai attached by plastic strings to the clamshell along with the figure. Before you can remove the figure from the clamshell, you have to cut those strings that attaches the figure to the clamshell, and be careful cutting them. I suggest doing it at the back part so as not to damage the paint application or the figure itself. And here is Raman out of the clamshell. The figure stands around 5.5 inches tall and is posable, but he doesn't come with any accessory like the old version, which he always comes with an axe. And here is the back part of the figure. It is very simple, like what you can see in the Filmation cartoon series. The armor of Raman can be removed by simply lifting it over his head. And this is how the figure looks like without the battle armor. Still, I miss him having his axe. Like the other figures for this line, Raman can be put in some simple action poses because of the articulation provided by Mattel with its knees, the crotch area, the elbows, and the armpit. Also, because of the slits on his skirt, you can make this figure kick forward and put his legs backwards, depending on what pose you want him to do. My complaint for this figure is that the helmet is not removable and it does not come with his battle axe. And for size comparison, here he is with Captain America from Endgame and Han Solo from the Empire Strikes Back Star Wars Black Series, both figures by Hasbro. With the Dark Knight, Batman, Bruce Wayne head sculpt from Modokin Model Kit and Buzz Lightyear from Bandai Model Kit. With He-Man and Skeletor from Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. With Voltes 5 from the Voltes 5 anime by Bandai SMP line model kit, and Vash the Stampede from Trigun by Jazzwares. And finally with He-Man and Duncan Man-at-Arms from Cartoon Collection by Mattel. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.